Yeah. Okay now. Okay. Okay. So if we want to make this method as what bean method, so what annotation we will use? At the rate bean annotation, right? So now our configuration also created. So let's run this application, right? So let's test it. Let's test it. Okay. So what we will do now? Right click inside that what this again. What we will do now? We will take what com dot rk dot what is that, test it, right? Test it. After testing that, what we will do now? Test, right? Test class we will take with main method. Okay. So okay, we taken. After then what we will do now? We will write what if we want to what activate our IOC container. We have need what application context, right? Application context interface AC equal to what is that? New application config application context, right? This is it. Its implementation class, right? Its implementation class. So inside that, what we will do now? Inside that we will pass what? Our application configuration file, right? So application config dot class. After passing that, next what we will do now? AC dot what is that? Get bean, right? Oh, my system is getting slow. Okay. Yeah. AC dot what is that? Get bean. This is what? Factory method. Inside that, what we will do now? We will come inside what? Application configuration, and this name MD, we are taking method name now. So that name we will pass here, because that name will become what? ID. After then we will return my driver, okay, dot class, to avoid typecasting, right? To avoid typecasting. So now what we will do now? It will return what? My driver, okay. So now print it. Okay, let's run this application, and I will show first. My intention is to show the problem, okay na? Because of that I develop, because I know that you people know this application, okay na? But to show the problem, why? Because of that I developed, then I will convert this application using what? Properties file. See, we got the data or not? URL, Oracle driver, right? Oracle driver, user, system and password. Okay, think like this, okay na? Now, okay, we develop this application and we handed over this application to our client after building this application, right? Means creating the jar, and this application went inside what? Live deployment. If after then, after some time, our client is observing my application performance is too low. Why? Because we are using what? Oracle database. So what will happen after building that, right? This application is there in the live, right? So what will happen? They again redeploy this application, means they will stop that server. So think about that. If the person business is constructed, so people will trouble or not, their business will go down or not, if we are developing like this application. So again, rebuild means, again what we will do now? Again we will come inside the Java, because application configuration file is Java file only. Whenever we will building the application, at the time this one also will become in the jar only, right? So jar. So what we will do now? Tomorrow if we need, right? Tomorrow if we need, our client need, what is that? My system is why. Yeah, our client is need what? MySQL driver, right? MySQL driver. Our client need what? MySQL driver, right? To tomorrow, today he having need what? Oracle driver. Tomorrow his mood is changed, right? He want, no, I will use what? MySQL driver. So my system is too much hanging. Why? Yeah. So root, it's not giving proper response. root. Okay, yeah. So now save it. So tomorrow if our client need what, tomorrow if our client need to change what driver, then the problem will come, right? Because in the real time the things is totally different, right? If we are because of that what we are doing, that we are not now here my school driver is came or not. So because of that if rebuild, right? But the file will at the time of building file will not build, file is file only. So what we will do now, so we will not configure this what here, we will not write this one, okay na? Here we will not write this one, okay na? So for that what we will do now, we will create one file, right? We will create in one file in the resource folder. Which file we will create? This file, driver.properties file. And which is the data, whatever the data is there frequently changes data. Which data is frequently changed? This data root means driver root means username and password. This data is frequently tomorrow if client is need, right? Oracle driver they can change it, right? So if the project is there in the building, then the problem is there. So what we will do now, the architect people will design analyze those data and they will write those data in the property file, and from the property file they will read it, right? So how, let's come and write it. So just file, right? File, we will select file here inside that, right? Just what is the what I take the name anything driver I take in, you can take any data also, data name also, but I'm taking here what driver. But property, this one is must be same, right? Okay na? Now finish it. Okay, file is created. See, inside that resource one file is created, right? So inside that I said that in the property both data is what, string only, right? Both data is string only. So how we will write whatever the data is there, right? Whatever data we taken, URL, username and password, right? URL and username password. So username come here, URL, right? URL equal to, right? Here what we will do now, JDBC Oracle driver, I'm taking what, Oracle driver. Again what is that, username equal to what is that, system, right? Again to password equal to what is that, manager, right? This data. So again I said that, okay, so if we want to load this, if we want to load this what property file, if we want to load this property file in our application configuration file, which annotation we will use it? See here I explain, right? Property source, right? Here I wrote wrong spelling, source, this is the source only, right? So a property source annotation we will use, and that property name with extension, right? This name with extension we will pass in that argument. So shall we write it? Okay, let's write it. Where we will write? At the class level, right? So now at the rate what is that, at the rate property, at the rate property source, right? And inside that what we will do now, yeah, inside that actually my system is hanging now, okay? So inside that what we will do now, we will pass this driver property, right? We will pass this, what happening, my system is too much getting slow, right? Okay, inside that what we will do now, driver dot properties, right? We will pass this name, right? This driver name. After then what, our spring will create which memory, environment memory, right? Environment memory. For that if we want in the, this data will store in this environment memory, right? So for that what is that, if we want to read the data in the read the data, if we want to read the data inside that, right, inside that what, our this class. So what is that? So we will create one minute. Yeah, here we will take what, private environment interface. I said that, right, private. Yeah, env, right, env, this interface inside that. But yesterday we learn what, auto wiring, right, auto wiring. Yesterday we learn or not auto wiring. If we are injecting, this environment interface is what, spring is given what, spring is given what, sorry, this is not here, okay, control F. Yeah, class level, okay na. So now this environment interface, right, in that environment interface, all data will store what, how, key and value format, right, key and value format. So after then auto wiring, yesterday we learned, right, if we want to inject our what, object in our class, right. So because of that, what we are using, so at the rate auto wire, right, in the top of this environment interface we will use what, auto wiring annotation. After then what we will do now, so okay, we will remove it from here, right, we will remove from here. Today I don't know, my system is too much hanging now. Okay, yeah, delete it, right, I'm deleting these things here, I'm deleting these things. Mhm. Okay. Now, okay, now, okay. So what we will do now? Okay, means env, this reference. We will take this reference, right? We will take this reference. Copy this one here. Paste inside that. Dot get property method is there, right? Get property method. Inside get property method, what we will do now? In the property file, I said that, right? Key. We will take this key only, right? This key we will take inside that, and we will pass in this property argument, right? uh, like this. Okay, so again two more properties is there, right, two more properties is there. So what we will do now, again env dot get property, right, get property. Inside that what we will do now, second property is what, second property is username, right, username we will take. Second property we will take username. Again last is what, password. Env dot what is that, get property, right, get property. Inside that what we will do now, again we will copy this what, property, password key, right, password key, and we will pass it, right, we will pass it here. So like this. So means here in the java code, if we write like this application in java code, there is no need to change anything, right. So I will show that. Let's run this application, right, let's run this application. See here, right, here oracle driver, right, oracle driver username, username Ravikant I taken. Okay, inside and let's see that. Hey, Ravikant from where? Ravikant is coming. 1 minute, friends. 1 minute, 1 minute. Why Ravikant is given? Driver, Oracle driver, username Ravikant, password manager. What is this? Username system I taken, right? 1 minute. Clear the project, right? Clear the project. Some कैसे problem is there? Because of that we are getting it. Okay, now run this application again. It's taking time today. My system is getting slow. I don't know. Now, okay, run the application. Hey, why username is coming Ravikant? 1 minute, 1 minute. It's checking our patience. Come to property file, copy this one, come inside. Okay. Now clean, refresh the project. Now again clean the project. Okay, now right click on that project, run as a, now okay. Array, what is this? From where this Ravikant is coming? I don't know. Everything is coming perfect, right? Username is coming Ravikant. Why? Okay, just I'm taking what is that? Yes, yeah, user, right? Actually, sometimes it's happened cache problem is there. 1 minute, paste it. Yes, some message is coming. What is that? PC name. Yes, yes, yes. PC name is taking. That is, I don't know. Okay, okay, na. Don't worry. I changed it because of that user I taken. Okay, na. Let's run this one. So now run this. Yeah, user username is coming what system, right? System now coming here. Actually, some issue is there, right? The system name is Ravikant. I think this taking okay, leave it. Here, what is that? I taken what user. So system is coming or not? So okay. So but today see, in the previous application, what we are doing, that here only in the Java code only we are doing the changes, right? But now in this time, what we will do now, tomorrow, if our client need what is that, MySQL driver, MySQL driver, right? So then just root, we will change inside what, property file, we will change inside that what, property file. To make the changes in the property file, we don't have need to touch our what, Java code, right? We don't have need to touch what, our Java code. For that we are using what, properties, which the data is frequently changed. Now see in the result, what is that, root and MySQL driver, right? So like that, right? Because of that, what we are using, that properties file, right? In the real time, in the application we are developing, what we are using, what we are using, properties file, which is the frequently changes data is there. Like for example, our database configuration, our database configuration, we are writing those database configuration, username, URL, password, and all those things in the properties file. Because of that we are using what, because of that we are using what, properties file, right? So properties file. Now till now, anybody having any doubt, let me know that, right? Suraj, my driver class means, please show my driver class. My driver class, I'm not understanding your question. Which in this application you want real driver you want? Hmm? Suraj, my driver dot Java file, right? My driver dot Java file. Actually, I have need to put what, if you want to show the see that one, I have need to what, my SQL driver dependency I need inside the what to put pom.xml, search on what, MySQL. Just for example purpose I taken. Okay. Yes, hello.
So
Yes.
Yes, sir. So please, you can just show me my driver dot Java class, because I just want to see inside that many attributes over there. So that's why.
MySQL driver you want?
No, sir. My driver dot Java class, sir. This class name. My driver dot Java.
First, actually your voice also breaking now, and ask the clear question what you want. I will show that.
Ravi, he want to view my driver.java class code on your Excel.
Uh, in my computer, you want to see that MySQL driver Java code, right?
Just to open my driver.java file.
Oh, my driver. Oh, this one you want. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, this file only.
Okay, okay. You want this file? Okay, okay. Now these three attribute I taken, yeah. Sorry for that. Okay, na? Actually, your voice is too much breaking. On my side only network issue is there. Please let me know that.
No, sir. In my side, I think there is a network issue, so that's why.
Okay, 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 okay. So now, okay, now see that these three attribute I taken, and I perform what, based on three attribute I perform just setter and a getter method, right? Setter and a getter method, and I override two string method. Nothing more than inside it. Now clear? Hello. Please use chat box now. Tell actually my voice is really breaking. Actually, from your side, problem is there. Okay, so let's understand what is stereotype annotation, right? And when I will use a stereotype annotation, I will remove this one, right? This bean also. I will remove what, this bean also. So okay, okay, now uh, hmm. first I have need to explain stereotype annotation, Anna. So stereotype annotation. Let's understand what is that stereotype annotation. Okay, so let's understand. We know that what is that, we know that our spring, right? Our spring is what, our spring is modular framework, right? In initial day also I explained module to module, right? So we know that based on the right, based on what is the stereotype means, our spring container, right? Our spring container will create the object by seeing that annotation, right? Our spring container will detect that class, and what is that, it will create that object, right? For that purpose, first let's see that what component, right? Just we are writing this bean, right? Just we are writing normal bean, right? Normal bean. So on the top of, if we write at the rate component, right? And the top of if we write at the rate component, right? So there is no need to configure this class, right? Here what we did, what we are doing here, what we are doing, that we are using bean tag, right? If we want to remove this bean tag here, right? So what we will do now, for that we will use what, at the rate component annotation. Then internally, right, internally what will happen, this class name first letter will become small, and in a container, right, first letter will become small, and based on this one will create the object reference. This one will become object reference, right? So you want to see that, but to work on stereotype annotation, first I have need to explain one more annotation, right? One more. So let's first see that how many stereotype annotation. This annotation meaning that we know that based on the model, right, based on the model we are applying those. So if we want to write just normal utility classes in our project, right, in our project, if we want to write just normal, what is that utility classes, for that we are using means bean classes. For that we are using what, at the rate component annotation, right? So after then at the rate service annotation is there. Whenever we are writing, we know that we our application is what, whatever business logic we are writing that, right? Business logic, business for that, if we represent in Spring, right, this is our business logic class. So for that, on that top of that, we will write what? At the rate service. So again, if we write that again, at the rate service, right, so again we don't have need to configure that class inside what? Configuration class, configuration file, right? So we will eliminate. So in that, our services related to what? Our related to service business logics, whatever logics like transaction management and so many things are there, right? Like AOP, all those things will apply by default in that class, right? So now, okay, again one more annotation is there, right? Controller. So if we develop what? If we develop our what? If we are developing what? Spring MVC application, in that if we want to represent in our IOC container, this class is what? This class is what? View controller class, means to controller class which is taking the request and giving the response, right? So for that we are using what? At the rate controller annotation, right? So for that, again one more annotation is there. If we want to develop, what? Integration layer like RESTful services, right? Spring REST. For that, Spring people is given what? REST, at the rate REST controller, at the rate REST controller, right? For that, Spring people given what? At the rate REST controller. Now, okay, if we want to perform, right, DAO layer, means data access layer, to for that, what is that? At the rate repository annotation is there on the top of class, right? In the DAO layer, if we write this annotation, then our IOC container will treat that class as a DAO layer, right? Then that class, again we don't have need to configure inside that what? Inside that configuration class, right? App configuration class. I will show that, don't worry about that, right? So these 5 annotation is called what? Stereotype annotation. Based on the requirement, means if we are writing the business logic, means service class, there we will apply what? At the rate service annotation. Based on, by seeing that, we will understand, oh, this is the business logics class, right? Means service class. At the rate controller, if we are applying this at the rate controller for what? In the Spring MVC application, in the top of class, right? So we will understand what is that? This is the what? Controller class, right? If we are writing just component, means then we will understand this is the utility class, like file, like Excel generate and PDF generating, report generator is there, right? For those classes we are using what? At the rate component. Under repository, by default we know that this is what? Data access layer, DAO layer, right? So for that, these 5 annotation we are using that, okay na, in the application. After then, but by default, right, by default, what is that? Our IOC container will not detect. So for that we have need, because both are the, whenever we are developing real-time project, right, different packages are there, right? But in that packages, some like folder name in the package name is a common, right? Like come to here only, come to here. What is that? What I'm taking? com.rk.configuration, right? Here com.rk.driver I taken. Till now rk, com.rk is common, but config and driver as different, right? Here com.rk is same, but test is different things is there, right? So for that, to activate, right, to give the classes in different places are there, right? To give our IOC container detect these classes from this package, right? For that, what annotation we are using that? What annotation we are using that? For that, this is not a stereotype annotation. To detecting these classes, right? To detecting these module, and to give our IOC container. For that, we are using what? Component scan, right? Component scan. I will show the problem also, right? Don't worry about that. First I will show the problem, then I will apply this annotation, and you people will see that, okay, because of that we are using this one, okay? Because of that we are using this one, okay na? So in that, what we will do now, in that, what we will pass that package name, right? Just like com.rk. If we pass that rk, right, then our let's see first, just I'm passing here rk only, but let's see that functionality. Okay now, so like in the just we have what, like one yeah, this is one package, right? This is one package. 1 minute, I will give the visualization, right? Yeah, this is one more package. This is one more package is there. This is here. This is here. Okay. One more package is there here. This is one more package. Okay. So this package is like in this package is what? This package name is what? Inside that classes also there. Inside that, what is that? In this package is just this class is what? A class. Here A class is there, right? Here again B class is there. Inside this package B class is there, right? Control Z, 1 minute, guys. Here C class is there, right? So now here just I'm taking what? Here I'm taking what? App, right? App. After then this class is, this one is connected with what? This one connected with this one, and this one connected with this one. Now, okay. After then what is that? Here, now here this one also, and this one also, and this one also connected, right? So this one also connected now. Okay. This one is what? Data. This one is what? A data, right? This one is what? This package name is what? My data, right? This package name is what? My data. After then what is that? What is that? Here just I'm taking what is that? Just um, repo. After then what is that? DAO. After then what is that? IMPL, right? IMPL. Okay. Okay, inside that what is that? ABC. After then here what is that? D class. Inside this package D class is there, right? Inside that D, E is there, right? E, F is there, right? So see, come and let's see that, right? So this is what in the app folder. What is that? How our IOC container will create the object if we use this? What is that? This stereotype annotation, right? So think about that. Like that app data is there, right? If we just pass inside that, right? If we just pass inside that, what is that? If we pass inside that component scan, right? If we pass just what is that? We will pass just app, right? App. So if we pass that just app, right? So inside app, which class is there? A class. Means our IOC container will not create this class object, right? Mm, from whom create data, my data, request, DAO, IMPL. For these classes will detect by default, right? By default, by seeing this annotation, and our IOC container will create. Now, no, I want just create our create object of what? This my data only, right? So what we will do now? If after then this just dot data, right? Data, like, yeah, data if we pass like this, right? If we pass this one inside this argument, right? Inside this argument, then here this class object will not detect our IOC container. Just our IOC container will detect this my dot class. My dot class means my data package class. What class is there? C class object will create, right? Even data class object also not create in the data folder, right? Data package B class is there now. This one also will not detect, right? So same like if we want to create what DAO IMPL, if we want to create just a DAO IMPL class object, so in IOC container, what we will pass here, just we will pass in this argument, right? Just we will pass in this argument. What is that? What we will pass? Application means application is root, right? Inside that repo we will pass here, right? Inside that repo, if we pass it, right? After then what is that? E class object will create, F class object will create. In the DAO folder, in the DAO package, E class is there, this class object will create by seeing this kind of annotation. After then in IMPL, F class is there, F class object will create, but not repo folder. D class is there, no, our IOC container will not create the object. In the data, B class is there, no, not created, right? Because what we pass here, f.repo, what we pass f.repo till now here. After then whatever root classes is there, in root packages is there, in that our IOC container by default detect those classes and it will create the object, right? For that, what we are using, that @component scans. Now you people getting the point or not? So okay, so let's develop one application and we will see that using what, this component annotation. Here see, @request controller and a repository and a controller, these two. Next model, next Saturday, @repository, right? I will show you people. @request controller, when I will start what, when I will start Spring REST, at the time I will show. And @controller, when I will start Spring MVC, right? At the time I will show. And now service and component I will show now only. Okay, so today I will show @service annotation and @component annotation, and this annotation @component scan annotation. These three annotation I'm going to explain. After then one more annotation I will explain. Explain what is that value. Inside that, what is that? When I will explain value, in the first day I said that in the Spring Core one more module is there. What is that? Bean context. Bean I explained, because we are, every day we are developing the bean classes, right? Bean I explained. After that context, every time we are, what is we are doing, that we are creating the, what is the, we are a context means we are starting what, our application mean activating our IOC container, that is what context. After then inside that, after then one more, I said that spill in the spring 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 expression language. Inside that only, in the value only I will explain, right? Because of that I will explain this value annotation. Okay, so now okay, so let's see that, right? So what is that? Come here now. Okay na, in this application only we will do the practical. Okay, in this application only we will do the practical. So for that, what we will do now, so I want to remove this one. What I said, that if I apply @component, if I want to apply @component, right? Apply @component. Come here in the stereotype annotation. So what is that? We don't have need to write this what. One minute, guys. Configuration now here. Friend, within the 1 minute again meeting will stop. Reconnect. Today you know, today class is too much important, right? Because based on this class only, Spring JDBC and Spring ORM I will explain, right? Because of that I'm explaining these things. This is the, you know, too much important for the daily to daily development also, right? In the industry. Because of that I'm explaining. Okay, so now come here. Come, what I said, that number